Hi everybody, thanks for watching. This is Bissell's new Powerlifter Pet. It costs right around $100 and that's as of January of 2018. It's not as expensive as say your top of the line Dyson or Shark, which you're going to pay $400, $500, $600 for. But for $100 you get quite a machine. Some of the things they like to talk about, brag about, is their pet hair removal. It features multi-cyclonic separation. It's got a pet turbo eraser tool. It's got multi-level filtration. They see the little Febreze thing, but you can get a Febreze filter, so when you vacuum, you don't get the dog smell. You get a nice, fresh, pleasing aroma. And it has lightweight design and over 35 feet of cord. One other thing you like to talk about, I want to talk about, is that the people from Bissell will donate $5 to the Bissell Pet Foundation. It helps get pets homes. So a little bit goes to charity to help dogs out. And if you buy this, you're pretty much a pet lover anyway. Okay, why am I doing this in a bedroom today? Well, the kids have a day off from school, and this is the only place I can ensure we won't have a 10-year-old or a 6-year-old or a 7-year-old kind of wandering through the camera field of view. So we're in the bedroom today. Now I'm going to go play some of my best banjo music, and we're going to open this up quick time. Okay, we're going to pause for a second just to show you what I pulled out already. Here's their pet hair removal tool. It's like those old fabric lint brushes, that kind of material. There's 4 of them. I guess it can work just like that, standalone, or you can use suction with a vacuum hose on there. Also, we opened up a pretty substantial foam and microfiber filter, and then a turbo eraser pet hair tool. And it's got these rubber bristles instead of your nylon ones on there. So interesting. Inside, it's got a tank release and handle up there, so we're going to pull on that to hopefully lift it all out. Nope. Here's the arm, or the main handle. Comes with the screws, tapes to it, that's nice. Okay, a bit of a struggle to get out of the box. It's not that heavy, it was just wedged in there pretty tight with those little pieces of cardboard, and that's good, you don't want to get beat up in shipment. Okay, everything is out of the box now. I'm just going to take this off the tripod and do a little walk around. In the back of the machine you see their extension pipe with the crevice tool. They're stowed in the back. The handle itself is pretty easy. It just, see those 2 holes right there? It just snaps into place there, and those 2 holes here, 1 and 2, will accept these Phillips head 2-inch screws. They don't give you a screwdriver, but hopefully you have a screwdriver to do that yourself. The hose pretty much goes in here, and it'll wrap around the top, probably through this hose guide, and into the base right there. Let's see. Cord will be wound here to here. The filter right there is supposed to be a post motor filter, so I imagine it goes down here. Yep. See if I can pull that out. There we go. That comes out. There's the Febreze air filter in the front right there. This might go underneath. We'll do the tank release button here. Pull that out, and yeah, that looks like a filter right there. Okay, it is. So they give you another filter to go in there, post motor. So I'm going to put this back on a tripod, go get a screwdriver, and we'll quickly assemble this for you. That pretty much concludes the unboxing of this Bissell vacuum cleaner, this Powerlifter Pet model. If you like my video, hit subscribe and stand by for the review video of this coming up shortly. Thanks for watching.